So this project is coming to an end, which is so beautiful. All the major work have been done. Now it left some few work for them to do, which is the concrete they are doing here, and they mix the concrete at a certain place in front of the lake, yeah, which you guys are going to see in the video, and I'll show you when we get there. They also have this machine in here, which is like a machine on the rivers that they use it to move under the river so that they can wet things that they have to wet, and also they have their machines on it, their tools and other stuff. So they have another boat that will go to where they mix the concrete and the mortar. Then they will bring it to this place to use it to complete their work or to continue their work, which is the concrete work that they are doing here. Yeah, and the machines on it are also machines for different things. Yeah, and one of them is for, I think, for moving the machine. Yeah, and also this company is Afghan company. They have their warehouse on the road around Shire Hills. Yeah, I saw it at Shire Hills area there. Yeah, which is so nice. And the company is Indian company, and they are really good people, you know. Not every place that you go and they will allow you to do video easily, especially the Chinese people. They are not really friendly. Yes, they are not friendly, but the Indian people, they are friendly to the extent that when you come there, they will even tell you to do the video and send to them. You know, they are really friendly. They understand everything. You know, I like them, and the Chinese people, I like them too, but they are not friendly at all. So they were doing some welding and other stuff, which you guys are going to see in the video as well. So what they have reached right now is around the same area here, which I will show you a video on it because I didn't want this video to get too long, so I decided to bring you a video on this particular one. After this one, then I will take you to that place. Yeah, that place is across the road. From across the road, they were digging the thing under it and also were doing some bridges to cross to the other side, which you are going to see in my next video that will be coming on Sunday. Yeah. So this boat or machine or whatever they call it is going to the other side I'm talking about, to go and bring their concrete there, which I'm going to show you guys in the video. So just keep on watching the video. You are going to see everything clear there. Thank you. So where the drone is heading to is where they mix their concrete, and you can see beside it there's another beautiful house in there. These are their machines in here which they use to do everything. Yeah, I think the road connect to this street, so that is why they do it here. Then they use their boat to come for it and take it to the other place. Yeah. So this place is the very popular Royal Senchi Hotel that they talk about, or resort. Yeah, with the beautiful architecture design and beautiful all the things in there. Yeah, everything in there is so beautiful. I wish you guys are here yourself and you will see everything clear by yourself.